Hello everyone, so this is IFB front load fully automatic washing machine. So this is fully touch, you can touch to turn it on. Now here you can switch between different programs via this. Here you can do the same via this. So the duration of the cloth wash, this is I think the error code, this is the temperature and the RPM 800. So all are fully automatic, you don't have to do anything. Here is the Wi-Fi symbol. So the machine and your mobile is connected with the IFB app. From there also you can control all these programs. This is your liquid detergent. Here my water TDS was high, so they suggested to use water softener. And I think 4 years on machine, 10 years on motor, 10 years spare. This is the drum. 7 kg. Yes, so this is fully touch. Here they worked on I think the vibration during spin. Yeah, it is working fine. You can touch and hold to turn it off. Thank you.